Maligayang pagbabalik sa ating panibagong kwento. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang laban ng two-time world champion at Olympic medalist na si Jorge Julio at ng ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao. Bago tayo magsimula, at kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na ito, ay i-click lang ang subscribe button at ang bell icon para updated ka sa mga videos na ating i-upload. Simulan na natin.
Manny Pacquiao is the biggest punching 122-pound fighter to have come along in a while. Tail of the tape, Pacquiao with a 10-year age advantage over Jorge Eliezer Julio. Pacquiao an inch and a half taller. Julio with long arms and a 1-inch reach advantage.
Kitang-kita ang labis na saya at pasasalamat ni Manny Pacquiao sa Panginoon matapos niyang talunin ang two-time world champion at 1988 Summer Olympics bronze medalist na si Jorge Eliezer Julio noong Hulyo 8, 2002. Ang tagumpay na ito ay may kalakip na mabigat na emosyon. Bago kasi hinarap ni Pacquiao si Julio, nagmula muna siya sa isang kontrobersyal na laban kontra kay Agapito Sanchez, isang engkwentro na itinuturing ng marami na pinakamadumi sa kanyang karera. Dahil sa mga low blows at headbutts, nauwi lamang sa isang technical draw ang labang iyon. Isang desisyong ikinadismaya ni Pacquiao at ng milyon-milyong Pilipino na naniniwalang siya ang tunay na nanalo.
After being told by the physician that the fight could no longer continue due to accidental headbutts suffered by Manny Pacquiao, the bout is halted in the 6th round. Under the rules, in accordance with the World Boxing Organization, the International Boxing Federation, and the American Boxing Commissions, the unified rules, the bout will go to the scorecards for the rounds completed plus the 6th round in which the contest was halted. The scoring is as follows. Ricardo Baez scores the bout 58-54. He has it for Pacquiao. Marshall Walker scores the bout 57-55. He has it for Sanchez. Raul Caiz Sr. scores the bout 56-56. It is a three-way split. The bout is officially declared a draw. Each champion will retain his title belt. The bout is a draw. Each champion retains his belt.
Kaya naman, bago tumuntong sa ring, marami ang nag-akalang mahihirapan ang pambansang kamao laban sa veteranong Colombian boxer na si Julio. At bago pa man magsimula ang laban, kapansin-pansin ang tindi ng kumpiyansa ni Jorge Eliezer Julio. Habang ibinibigay ng referee ang huling paalala sa gitna ng ring, makikita pa siyang relax at ngumunguya ng bubblegum. Isang patunay na kampante siyang makuha ang panalo. Hindi naman nakapagtataka ang kanyang lakas ng loob dahil bitbit niya ang kahanga-hangang record na 44 na panalo, 32 knockout at 3 pagkatalo lamang. Sa kabilang dako, makikita ang kakaibang talas at kalmado ngunit determinadong aura ni Manny Pacquiao habang naghihintay sa unang tunog ng kampana. Halatang nasa kanyang pinakamagandang kondisyon ang pambansang kamao. Balikan natin ang highlights ng bakbakang ito at kung paano ipinamalas ni Pacquiao ang isa sa kanyang pinakamalupit na performance sa ibabaw ng lona. Pagsambulat ng unang round, hindi pa gaon kainit ang hiyawan sa arena. Noong panahong ito, bago pa lamang si Manny Pacquiao sa Amerika at nagsisimula pa lang siyang gumawa ng sariling pangalan sa international stage. Sa mga unang segundo, sinubukan ni Julio na kontrolin ang lona gamit ang kanyang magandang tindig. Ngunit hindi ito hinayaan ni Pacquiao. Agad niyang pinalasap si Julio ng kanyang pambihirang bilis at sumasabog na lakas. Sunod-sunod na mabibigat na kombinasyon ang pinakawala ni Pacquiao kung saan bawat malinis na patama ay dinig na dinig ang impact hanggang sa kamera.
Pacquiao can punch. When you come up to 122 from 118 and you get Manny Pacquiao in your third fight in the division, you may be biting off something more than you can chew. But Julio has a lot of knowledge and a lot of craft. Oh, big left hand by Pacquiao.
And he got countered by a nice left hand counter by Julio.
sometimes the first couple of punches might rock you, but then you taste the power and sort of get used to it, right, Bobby?
Well, you know, there are times that you can sort of adjust to it. But if you get caught one of those and you're not looking, I'll tell you what, your legs come right out from under you. When they catch you looking, boy, oh boy, it hurts so much more.
Pacquiao with a body shot after missing with the wild right hand. You can see what a big hitter Pacquiao wants to be. Throws every punch with aggressive intentions. Julio, a little bit more of a change-up artist, and holding his own now after a rough first minute.
And one of the things, there's a beautiful straight left hand by Pacquiao, but one of the things that's helping Julio is that jab. It's offsetting the combinations of Pacquiao.
Put your heads. Put your heads.
Pacquiao saying it was an elbow.
Whoa, keep up.
And there's a low blow. So already an elbow and a low blow from Julio making contact with Pacquiao, and that's exactly what Freddie Roach suggested he thought might be the case.
When you punch that hard, as Pacquiao is, it takes a lot of energy to start those punches.
Oh, that's a huge left-hand shot, and the right-hand shot.
Don't knock down. Don't pull him down, Manning.
As I was saying, it takes a lot of energy to start those punches. If you don't hit something, it takes the same amount of energy to
10
stop them.
seconds.
And you could get prematurely fatigued. You have to make those punches hit something.
Body shot by Pacquiao. Julio seems a little bit flustered by Manny's power. And thus the call of no knockdown when Julio went to the canvas. Now round two begins. Another straight left hand by Pacquiao. And you heard Julio's corner saying, hit him in the belly. And down goes Julio.
It was a perfect execution of what he was told in the corner. Double jab and throw the left hand. He did it. Look what we see.
The kid listens.
Hey, come to me. Bueno. Box.
Freddie Roach told him to go in behind the double jab and followed him with the left hand. He did it twice in a row. In the second one, dropped Julio.
This is some prospect, Bobby. To me, he's every bit as exciting as Prince Nassim Hamed.
He really is. He can punch. He can take a punch. He's aggressive. And he loves to fight.
You okay?
Second knockdown.
At sa ikalawang round, unti-unti nang naramdaman ni Julio ang bagsik ng kamao ng isang determinadong Pilipino. Isang hudyat na magpababago sa takbo ng kasaysayan.
Grabbing and holding might be the thing to do. Pacquiao's just getting ready to swing away again. And Bill Clancy's seen enough. Devastating second round TKO for Manny Pacquiao. What a comeback from the misfortune of San Francisco.
Very, very impressive against a fighter who is not that easy to beat. It's not easy to dominate. That I can tell you.
I think the most impressive thing was exactly what you pointed out. Freddie Roach calmly said, double jab and then
Matapos ang opisyal na anunsyo ng laban, kitang-kita sa mukha ni Pacquiao ang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa Panginoon para sa isa na namang napakahalagang milestone sa kanyang karera.
Thank you, Lord! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Thank you, Lord.
Ramdam na ramdam din ang nag-uumapaw na galak ng kanyang matagal ng kaibigan at assistant trainer na si Buboy Fernandez na hindi maitago ang matinding excitement habang magkayakap nilang ipinagdiriwang ang matamis na panalo. Isa itong emosyonal na sandali na nagpapatunay kung gaano kalaki ang kahulugan ng tagumpay na ito para sa buong Team Pacquiao. Dahil sa tatlong sunod-sunod niyang kahanga-hangang panalo sa Amerika, kabilang na ang matagumpay na depensa ng kanyang IBF Super Bantamweight title laban sa Colombian boxer na si Jorge Eliezer Julio, unti-unting niyanig ni Manny Pacquiao ang international boxing scene. Ang sunod-sunod na dominanting tagumpay na ito ang naging mitya upang ang pambansang kamao ay tuluyang mapansin at hangaan ng mga boxing fans at batikang eksperto sa buong mundo. Sa kabilang banda, matapos ang mapait na pagkatalo kay Manny Pacquiao, hindi na muling naabot ni Jorge Julio ang rurok ng tagumpay sa kanyang karera. Bagamat nagpatuloy pa siya sa pag-akyat sa ring ng ilang taon, dumanas naman siya ng mabibigat na pagkatalo, kabilang ang isang masakit na TKO kontra kay Israel Vazquez. Kalaunan, tuluyan na ring nagretiro si Julio sa profesional na boxing.
Tratando de doblar el cuerpo para esquivar los golpes de Israel Vázquez, que no se da por vencido, que no se ganar unos importantes segundos y está a punto de caerse, ahí interrumpe y lo hace con estos golpes al final. Sí.
Golpes muy precisos, buen conectados de Vázquez. Ahí le estaba dando ángulos. Ahí vemos otra vez el impacto ahí. Lea. Vemos
¿Sí?
otro.
A lo que te referías
Sí.
es que
Ang gabi ng laban niya kontra kay Pacquiao ang itinuturing na pangunahing turning point ng kanyang karera.
Hanggang dito na lamang muna mga idol. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang panunood at patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa two-time world champion at Olympic medalist na si Jorge Julio at sa ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao sa bakbakang ito? Ibahagi ang inyong mga opinyon sa comment section sa ibaba. Gusto kong malaman ang inyong pananaw. Huwag din kalimutang i-like ang video na ito at mag-subscribe para sa mas marami pang maaksyong kwento sa mundo ng boxing. Hanggang sa muli,